You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You got the right.
Running to her now, man.
I got 12 gold V2s on 212Ks.
Sir, you already know.
I don't know my peak though.
Well,
We need to do that. That's almost 57.
At what? 36?
38.
38? Okay. Things look good, man.
Wanna put out because she's already been Russified.
Let me know where they can find you, man.
I ain't even broke in yet.
Brand new.
They get it now. What do you think?
Man, will.
I think they sound just as good as platinum.
Man, yeah. If not a little bit better, they want to heat up for sure.
I got you.
Y'all be sure to follow them, man.
What?
Now, you got another one?
I'll play all day.
I like how they look, too.
About to get Rustified.
Slam fresh out the shop, man. I say, man, let me put some motherfucking music together for this shit. Big.
Start bouncing around. I'm more worried about 7 volts. I know, I'm ready, Jeff.
Jeff waiting on you, waiting on you.
We're trying to.
She can't take no more. Too many ballers.
Whoa.
That was a good thing, bro. Look at these other guys, check it out. Alright, bro.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.